On the ground, the YIP tell us they have already begun to feel the impact of his words and policies.
Esse governo está massacrando o nosso direito e o nosso povo indígena.
With garimpeiros, wildcat miners, loggers and ranchers invading and assaulting their land.
Já estão iniciando, matando os povos indígenas e nós não queremos nenhuma gota de sangue mais.
Audio provided to Brazilian journalists just after their chief was killed on July 22nd shows their urgency for action.
A facada, várias furadas no corpo dele e no pênis dele, e mataram muito feio.
But they say the savagery didn't stop there.
Entra numa casa indígena, vai agredindo a crianças, agredindo mulheres.
They may be shaken, but the YIP are not running scared. Instead, in silence, they ward off evil spirits and ready for battle. Their fight has taken them all the way to the United Nations.
Com a eleição de Jair Bolsonaro como presidente do Brasil, aumenta a ameaça a nossos direitos e a nossos territórios. Não aceitamos a mineria em nossas terras. Ele não respeita nossa cultura, nosso modo de viver e nossos bosques. Estamos preocupados.
The Brazilian government says there was no credible evidence that the chief was murdered, with the Minister of the Environment adding that the chief drank too much and fell into the river. But according to Amazon Watch, there have been at least 14 cases of invasions and assaults into indigenous territories by land grabbers, loggers and miners, who have left their dark stain on the indigenous people and on the world's greatest rainforest.